Hello and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to enable rulers in Affinity. The shortcut for this is Cmd R or Ctrl R on Windows. You now see a ruler at the top and on the side. Here you can see the document units in pixels. By right-clicking the top left intersection, you can also change these units, for example to millimeters. I leave it set to pixels, and depending on how close you zoom in on your artboard, the ruler increments will also change. To create guides, simply drag and drop from the ruler onto the artboard. To create further guides, simply hold down the Command key or Ctrl on Windows whilst dragging the line to create a duplicate. And here, in the preview mode icon, you can choose to show or hide them. To remove the rulers, simply drag them out of the artboard and they'll disappear. And up here, under View, then Show, you can enable or disable the rulers. And you can also see the shortcut here. And that's it. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe buttons.